These canvases are so much fun to make. Pouring the paint creates a unique work of art every single time. I'm going to show you a few techniques to use. For this project, you're going to need a white box canvas, Pebeo moon paint, something to cover your work surface with, a pipette, cup, a pair of disposable gloves, and you can also use a straw and some glitter. To begin, protect your work surface by using a disposable plastic tablecloth or cardboard or brown paper. Also ensure you are in a well-ventilated room. You can also wear disposable gloves if you wish. Select the colours you would like to use. On my canvas, I'm using the lovely autumnal tone paints that come with the Pebeo moon paint set. Try simple pouring from the container, and once you have poured, move your canvas around to cover it in paint. You can also use a straw to blow into the paint to create some interesting effects. Pipettes are also great for the little details on the surface. Why don't you try pouring 2 or more paints into a paper cup and see what happens? On a box frame, it's nice to allow the paint to drip over the sides. Finally, you can add a bit of glitter for that extra dash of magic. Allow your canvas to dry fully, ideally outside or in a very ventilated room for 12 to 24 hours, and hang with pride. It's so interesting, isn't it? Watching the paint move and develop while it dries. It makes every single piece unique. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and please do subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.